Hello everyone, welcome to our channel EME Technologies. Do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon button for latest updates. This is the best time to make yourselves productive, so feel free to contact us for industrial training and summer training for ultra productivity and peak performance.
Hello friends, myself Rohini and I belong to Gurdaspur. I'm pursuing BTech from Swami Sarvanand Group of Institute, Dinanagar, and now I completed my 6-year training from EME Technology under the guidance of Vandana ma'am and Akshi sir, and they provide me a better knowledge and fulfill our issues, problems will be cleared properly. And thank you again for completing my training properly within 6 months, and also help me for completing my project properly with the fulfilled knowledge. Thank you so much.